Today I'm going to show you how to download and install an extension from the Chrome Web Store in a simple, beginner-friendly way. If you've ever wanted to add something like an ad blocker or another useful browser tool, this guide will walk you through the whole process step by step. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how your device is set up. Once Chrome opens, look at the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps a lot of its settings and tools. From that menu, go to Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. This will take you to the page where all of your current browser extensions are listed. Now, on that page, you'll see an option that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Click that to open the official store where you can browse and install extensions safely. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, go to the search bar at the top and type in the extension you want. For example, if you want an ad blocker, just type ad blocker into the search bar and press enter. You'll now see a list of results that match your search. This is an important step because not every extension is the same, so take a moment to choose the right one. Check the ratings, read a few reviews, and look at how many users have installed it. That gives you a better idea of whether the extension is trustworthy and works well. Once you find the extension you want, click on it to open the details page. Here you can see more information about what it does, what permissions it needs, and whether it's the right fit for you. If everything looks good, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then ask you to confirm the installation. This is normal because the browser needs your permission before adding the extension. When the confirmation box appears, click Add Extension. After that, Chrome will automatically download and install it for you. In just a few moments, the extension should appear in your browser, ready to use. If needed, you can pin it to the toolbar so it's easier to access later. And that's it. You now know how to download extensions from the Chrome Web Store and install them correctly in Chrome. It's a quick process once you know where to click, and it can make your browser much more useful. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.